The price of ICP is definitely pumping, and I really believe we are on the verge of having an out season. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about the technical analysis and what has been happening as far as ICP is concerned. Before we jump into today's episode, I just want to remind you that obviously a lot of cryptocurrencies have bounced, a lot of altcoins have done very well. Nero is up by about 38.6%. And coming back to ICP, right? Um, in last episode, right, we talked about the fact that we are having a lot of sell pressure at $8 20 to 30 cents, $8 30 cents and below. And take a look at where we are facing a little bit of rejection. So we are facing some sort of rejection which is going to only amount to a slight correction before we find our footing and obviously continue going down. So in last episode, we did also talk about the fact that we have major support at the bottom at $7.12 and below. Anything between $7.12 and all the way down to around $6.80. This is obviously a very good ultimate strong support base for the price of ICP. Now, due to the fact that we have obviously ended up pushing towards the upside before going down, this is a strong indication that we're highly unlikely to drop to these low levels. However, this is crypto. Anything can happen. Our main objective is for us to be prepared for all types of scenarios, just like in this case, right? In the previous episode, we did talk about both scenarios, the sell pressure and the support pressure, which is obviously at the bottom. So the resistance here at the top and the resistance at the bottom. So due to the fact that we obviously are seeing a lot of bulls being active in the markets as far as the price of ICP is concerned, then there is a higher probability of us sort of retracing and finding support at higher levels in comparison to the drastic drop that we were expecting below right over here. So this is one of the reasons why at this particular moment, right, obviously in the next 24 to about 72 hours, we are going to see a decline in the price, which is just going to cement the support system that we have anything close to around $7.90. So I really believe that this particular trading area here has produced a new strong line of support. So this is one of the reasons why you are not supposed to be scared anymore. All right, so that fear that we had of us having like an extreme drop down all the way to around $7 is highly unlikely at the moment. And if you take a look at the current trading period, right, we're obviously approaching mid October. November is going to be ultra bullish, December is going to be ultra bullish as well. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe the price of ICP is not going to drop lower than $7.50. So this particular line of support is going to be very crucial. Worst case scenario, let's say for example we end up dropping to around $7.50, right? And we sort of grab the liquidity right over here and we end up deviating and pushing towards the upside. That is going to be a very good last opportunity to buy the price of ICP at these low levels. So more of the story is we are about to finally end the dramatic drop that we've been having as far as a lot of cryptocurrencies are concerned. And right now we are on the verge of experiencing an explosive altcoin summer. So all you got to do right now is be prepared for the incoming profits that you guys are about to make. So that's all I had for you. And yeah, just look out for the slight retracement that we're going to have. We're probably going to have a slight retracement on the 4 hours or even on the 1 hour. These low levels are not going to be here for a very long period of time. So this is one of the reasons why you have to take action as soon as possible. So what I'm expecting is just a slight retracement to maybe $7.90 or even $8 $0.10 somewhere there, and then we continue our trajectory towards the upside. So my homework for you guys is find the bottom of the incoming small correction. So this correction is going to be very, very small. So personally, I really believe that it's just going to go to about $8.10, and then we're going to continue pushing all the way up. In case we end up coming back down to these low levels, obviously $7.90 is going to be a very good support level, and then we're going to continue our trajectory towards the upside. So my homework to you is figure out where this little correction or this little resistance rejection is going to end up getting exhausted, and where the pump continuation is going to pick up. So the other thing that I really wanted you guys to know is obviously, I have been around for the past 7 years, and I've been trading cryptocurrencies close to a decade. You can check out the history of my YouTube channel and what we've done. We've done extremely well. So this is one of the reasons why I am looking forward to having some one-on-one consultations with you guys in case you really need to figure out how to trade and make $100 each and every day. So remember, if your cryptocurrency portfolio is $1,000, right? You can make 10% of that every day, meaning $1,000 account can make $100 per day trading cryptocurrencies. Just take a look at how these cryptocurrencies have been bouncing. Today, Naira has done 37%. WBT has done 29%. Are you telling me that of all these coins you can fail to make a 10%? So now let's bump it up. Let's say, for example, you've got a $10,000 portfolio. That means you can make $1,000 per day. So this is one of the reasons why you guys have to reach out to me, and we can have those business consultations, and I can just scrutinize and minimize everything that you need to learn in a very short period of time, so that you guys can be able to do these trades by your own, because I put in all the work and the effort. And you guys can be able to just spend half of the time, or even a fraction of the time that I put in order for you to take your trading skills to a whole new level. So check out the little tutorial that I have right over here on how you can make 10% or $100 every single day trading cryptocurrencies on a small trading account with $1,000. So the link is going to be right over here, and check the comment section or the description. Take a look at that tutorial. You guys are going to figure out a lot of new stuff. So in case you're interested, please email me, and we're going to keep it moving. So God bless you and take care.